Thank you for visiting Litzen RV and for the opportunity to showcase for you the factory fresh, off-road, true 4x4 RV, the Winnebago Revel. Designed specifically for active outdoor enthusiasts, the all-new Winnebago Revel takes a new approach to adventure with straightforward design and function-driven features. Taking full advantage of the proven 4x4 Mercedes Benz Sprinter chassis, the Revel's 3-liter 6-cylinder turbo diesel platform puts 325 pounds-feet of torque through an on-demand 4-wheel drive system, complete with high-low range and hill descent mode for added off-road capability. Add off-road performance with style with the 17-inch matte black performance wheels and BF Goodrich TA KO2 all-terrain tires. These all-terrain tires provide for the stronger sidewall when in conjunction with the Method 701 wheels, featuring that one-piece cast 356 aluminum with T6 heat treatment. Again, the bead grip technology allows us to run these tires at lower pressures for more grip. A new enhancement in the 2020 Revel are the wider running boards, these easy-to-assist steps. Also include non-skid steps. The new all-metal cargo roof rack system with that multi-adjustable ladder that can be rotated around the Revel for ease of access to that rooftop storage. This is the 13,500 BTU Coleman Mach NDQ. This is the non-ducted quiet version of the Coleman Mach 10 air conditioning system, which is 6 to 8 decibels quieter than previous models. And a new standard feature for Winnebago Industries, this is the Rolef screen system. The rear actually provides a complete opaque, blacked out Rolef screen that zips down and then includes magnetic ease of access points, so you don't have to unzip that every time you come and go. It provides great coverage to ensure insects don't penetrate the Revel, but it also provides ease of access. Again, to the rear we include the opaque Rolef screens, and on the side of the patio area we provide the sheer, which provides great fresh air ventilation. Now we'll just showcase how easy it is to get in and out of the Revel using that Rolef screen. Just a wonderfully designed catch for magnetics that provides ease of access. We also have an easy to access entry handle that is lined with a Ram track mount system. We do also have a new table mount, which is much easier to use in that portable patio table here that drops down from the side to provide a great camping or patio cocktail table, where there you'll see the pedestal. That is for the fold down outside table that we covered, with the easier access of providing the insert for that fold down outside table compared to previous Revels in 18 and 19. And upgrades here towards the patio side, one of which is higher ground clearance, because we've trimmed off the length of that patio side running board, which in and of itself was not all that usable because it was below the cargo door. Therefore, we didn't have to modify the exhaust, which provides for higher ground clearance. Here you can see the keyless entry and also controls for the powered sliding door. It can be stopped midway, and it also has a capability of being turned off completely, and it also has the capability of ensuring that it does retract in the event that something obstructs it. You can control that power door from inside the coach or by using any of the keyless fobs that come with the coach. Obviously, then what ties into that is the capability of having keyless touch start for the vehicle that we'll demonstrate as we get inside the Revel. We have a great new upgrade for 2020. This is a digital thermostat for the hydronic heating system. The hydronic heating system is a 17,500 BTU Espar D5 hydronic heating system that will heat both off of the diesel burner or when plugged in off of an electrical element. The beauty of this is just how energy efficient this Espar system is, because it literally will burn only 0.07 gallons of diesel fuel per hour in low mode, which translates into 260 hours of runtime off of a 24.5 gallon fuel tank, of which we can tap into the top 3/4. On high mode, it only burns 0.17 gallons, so provides 108 hours of heating off of the top 3/4 of that main fuel tank. Added LED lighting underneath this powered studio loft bed, so that if you are using the RV without sleeping at night and you're bringing in gear, you can raise that bed up and down and still have lighting underneath it. Overhead, we do have the all-new overhead metal shelving that's included in the headliner for the high rooftop cargo van. It provides great storage capability overhead. It also includes the privacy screens for providing privacy at night from the cockpit. These front seats are Artico leather with powered lumbar support. They also have different depth for thigh comfort levels that slide in and out. We have the VersaGlide zero turn radius swivel mechanism, so it's very easy to swivel these seats around to become integral lounge chairs. And of course, they slide, swivel, and recline with an adjustable armrest on the right-hand side or left-hand side for the passenger. And of course, you'd use the driver or the passenger door for the other armrest that you may have. These very simply just lift up and then slide out to provide a differing depth for height measurements. We've had several different individuals inside these front seats, even with inseams up to 34 inches, a very comfortable, great length for legroom inside this new Mercedes VS30 chassis. To the new VS30 chassis are all of the safety enhancements built, now equipped for the RV van life generation. The first critical safety enhancement to the all-new third generation VS30 Mercedes Benz Sprinter chassis is active brake assist. In the event that the system, which uses a combination of radar and camera technology, senses a visual obstruction ahead, the driver will be alerted to a visual and acoustic warning. Once the driver then applies the brakes, active brake assist applies the most effective brake pressure, and if too weak, will engage autonomous braking capabilities. It also is the only system that can recognize and is designed to brake for pedestrians in the way. Active lane keeping assist will sense if you seem to be unintentionally changing lanes in a range of situations, even in slight bends. Mercedes gives you a helpful audio and visual warning and then applies brake pressure to help you get back in the lane. Targeted intervention of the ESP systems and brake systems gently bring you back to your intended path. LED high-performance headlamps provide improved illumination that maximizes the view of the road ahead while further enhancing the RV's overall aesthetic and sleek front-end design. Adaptive Highbeam Assist, enhanced safety in the dark. This system makes driving in the dark safer and helps to reduce the strain on the driver. Adaptive Highbeam Assist always makes the best possible headlamp range available while avoiding dazzling oncoming traffic. The driver barely needs to make use of the high beam switch and is able to concentrate better when driving in the dark. Adaptive High Beam Assist uses continuous input from a camera to automatically vary the range of the high beam headlamps based on the distance to oncoming vehicles and any vehicles traveling ahead of you. Not only as safety is the cornerstone of the all-new Sprinter, we've also now included interior aesthetic upgrades similar to that of the Mercedes S-Class luxury auto, including Artico leather cab seats that do feature all three sets of safety enhancements, tilt and telescoping steering with a complete array of steering wheel controls for the all-new infotainment center, making trips more enjoyable with the Sprinter's multitude of sophisticated MBUX infotainment features. Just above this location, you'll see we've also then included wireless charging for your smartphone or tablet. Inside this compartment, we also then have USB-C controls to be able to connect for Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, should you choose to use that. Although we do have here the 10.25-inch MBUX infotainment center that features hands-free calling, but also hands-free voice guidance. Currently connected via Bluetooth, you'll see complete control of your smartphone or tablet, allowing us to make hands-free calls using voice guidance and Hey Mercedes artificial intelligence. We have complete navigation controls that is available through voice guidance. Here you'll find the vehicle settings screen with quick access for the ESP, superior ride and technology handling. Also controls for lane keep assist, rear park assist, and then also assistance within different types of the safety enhancements that we just talked about to be able to display in certain locations, turn on or off. You'll see controls for the active brake assist, the availability for the blind spot assist, you saw earlier the attention assist, you can see controls for the active lane keep assist. I want to take this opportunity to thank you for visiting Lichtsinn RV and for the opportunity to showcase for you our factory fresh 2020 Winnebago Revel